Welcome to EDU World Space.
Problem. It is asked to use the property A to estimate the value of the integral tan x dx limit pi by 4 to pi by 3 here, right? So we need to find the integral. Let us say this is I, that is integration. So now we can write what we can write further. I equals to nothing but this can be written as pi by 4 to pi by 3, that is limit same, but tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x, right? So this is dx. Now we can assume, right, we can assume cos x as you let. Why? Because cos x differentiation of cos x is present on the upside, right? So we can replace in this way. So this will become like this, f dash x upon fx. So that will give us the property like log fx, right? Integration of that will be log fx. Let us see further. So let cos x be u, right? So it will be the differentiation of cos x will be nothing but this is minus sin x dx, this is du equals to 0 du, right? So here we can also write sin x dx, because sin x dx is given to us, which is equals to minus du. Here sin x dx can be replaced by minus du, that's right. So now therefore we will just put this value. This will give us limit integration of du by du limit pi by 4 to pi by 3 here. This is in of minus, right? Minus is taking common here. Now this becomes what? This becomes nothing but this is I equals to minus ln u. Ln is the natural log. Right. So we know that u equals to cos x, so we can put the value, right? That is ln cos x here. Right. Now we will apply the limit. Right. So I equals to, I will write here in, oh, all right, this is, we have already integrated. So this is the integration, right? So this will give us what? This will give us I, we will just put the limits, right? So this will be, limits will be like this, pi by 4 to pi by 3 here. Again this is pi by 4 to pi by 3 here, right? So this is remember, this is the value for x is equals to this, right? We have not changed to u here while exchanging, because we need to put the value again of u in terms of x, so that's why I have not changed that limit. So but in case if you don't change that limit, then you have to change the limits according to u, right? So this will be I equals to nothing but this will be minus ln cos pi by 3 minus ln cos pi by 4 here, right? So this will give us I equals to minus ln cos pi by 3 is nothing but this is 2 to the power minus 1, or you can say 1 by 2, right? And this will be plus log 2 to the power minus 1 by 2. I'm sorry, this becomes plus here, right? Plus ln cos pi by 4, right? Because minus and minus will become plus here. So here it will be, we will be getting I equals to ln 2. Why? Because minus 1 is taken outside. We know the property of the log. Minus half log 2, right? So this will finally give us, I'm sorry, this is again, this is ln, right? So it should be ln. This will give us I equals to, you can say pi by 4 to pi by 3 tan x dx is equals to ln 2 by 2 here. Right. So this is our answer to this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.